Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a burgundy look today for you. No reason really, I just wanted a fall color that wasn't brown. So this is the look that I've come up with. If you guys want to see how I created it, please keep watching. So as always, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Lid Primer. I'm just going to pat that onto my eyelid and blend it in. And I'm just going to set my eyelid using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Cupcake. I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Face Bake and Blend brush. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's palette by Jaclyn Hill in Ring the Alarm. And I'm going to start by going in with Rush as my transition shade. Taking this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 blending brush. And I'm just going to put that lightly in my crease and blend it up towards my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go in with Framed, and I'm going to take this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. And I'm going to put this in my outer V as well. And if you need to blend out those colors, just go back in with that Rush brush and blend it out. And now, just to add a little bit more red to that, I'm going to go in with Siren on the same brush I just used Frame. Take a clean fluffy brush if you need to blend out any shadow that went a little bit too far, like right here for me. I'm just gonna kind of fade it out and go back in with your colors. So now on my lid, I'm gonna go in with Lolli. And I'm just going to go in with a flat concealer brush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A2. So I'm going to pick up some of that and make a faded cut crease. So to make it a little more pigmented, I'm just going to grab some of this color on my finger. The warmth of your finger always helps. I'm just going to go over with Siren in my outer V just to blend these two well. And I want to just blend it in on an angle coming in like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye, and I'm going to be using this Morphe S20 pencil brush. And I'm going to pick up some of that Rush. Next, I'm going to go in using this JH39 pencil brush. I'm going to go in with Siren. And as you guys know, I like to keep it light under my eyelids. So, I mean, if you like it to be darker, go ahead and deepen it up as much as you like. I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm not going to be doing eyeliner with this look. I'm just going to be going in with mascara, and this is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So we're going to do a couple coats of that. Just gonna make sure I get my under eye lashes as well. I'm also gonna go in with my Tarteist liner by Tarte Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with the coal end and fill in my lash line. So you can leave it here for your eyes if you want, or you can add lashes. I'm going to add lashes, but first I'm gonna bronze up my face, and I'm gonna be using Morphe's 8H Hi-Fi palette, and I'm gonna go in with Debutant on my JH03 brush. I'm also going to use this to contour my nose, and I'm going to be using my Sigma E45 brush. This is just a little tapered brush. And I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Face and Blend brush, Bake and Blend brush, that's it. And just blend these out. For blush, I'm going to be using Morphe's 8C Cool Pro palette. And I'm going to go in with Queen and Drama. Now we're going to do our highlight, and I've been obsessed with Inglot by JLo's Livin the highlight, so I'm going to go on in with that. And I'm going to be grabbing this on my JH06 brush. If you ever feel like you put on too much highlight or got it too far, go ahead and take either your powder brush or the bronzer brush that you just used and just kind of scooch it out of there. For my nose highlight, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. Just going to take a little bit on my finger. Just kind of blend that up. Before I forget, I must highlight my brow bone. I'm going to use the same Livin the highlight. And just kind of blend it in up there. And I'm also going to pop this into my inner corner. So for lashes, I'm going to be using Lilly lashes in Diamonds. And they're going to fall out like always, so. So I'm going to go back into that eyeliner and just connect the lash line. To your eyelid. Just so there's no like stopping. The last thing I'm going to do is lips, and I'm going to go in with Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in Famous. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Hopefully you guys like this burgundy look and want to recreate it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will 157% get back to you. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.